Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Lucid Dreams on guitar. We will start by ensuring your guitar is properly tuned to standard E-A-D-G-B-E. Then, find a comfortable sitting position, supporting the guitar's body with your dominant leg. Remember to hold your pick with a light, relaxed grip for smooth and consistent strumming. These foundational steps are crucial for a successful learning experience. Now, let's dive into the 4 essential chords for Lucid Dreams: a minor, G major, F major, and E major. Start with a minor, placing your fingers on the 2nd fret of the D and G strings and the 1st fret of the B string. Next, move to G major, then tackle the F major chord, which often requires a bit more practice. Finally, learn the E major chord. Focus on clear, ringing notes for each one. With your chords ready, let's add rhythm. A great beginner strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to keep a steady beat. The key is to maintain a relaxed wrist and arm, allowing the pick to glide across the strings. Practice transitioning smoothly between the A minor, G major, F major, and E major chords, keeping that rhythm consistent. To truly master Lucid Dreams, consistent practice is key. Begin by practicing each chord individually, ensuring every note rings out clearly. Then, combine the chords with the strumming pattern, starting at a very slow tempo. Gradually increase your speed as your fingers build muscle memory. Try playing along with the original song at a slower pace. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.